Okay, I got a request to show you how to delete titles or copies of things that you need to get rid of out of your library. It could be one of two things. You could be weeding something, discarding it for maybe it's damaged, or it's something that's lost. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can do this. First, we'll start with if you are just weeding items. So I'm going to go to Catalog, and we're going to update copies. And make sure you're on individual delete if you're just doing one or two at a time. So you would just type in the barcode of the book, and if you're weeding it, you can track it as weeded, and then click go, and that's going to delete that. Okay, one more time. These are books that are duplicates that I don't need in my library, so I'm going to go ahead and delete those. All right, so that's how that works. Another way you can do this is if you have a whole bunch that you need to do all at once and you want to just scan them and then upload it later, you can do that by a batch delete. Now, if you scan a whole bunch of items, make sure you're doing it in Notepad or Word, but you have to save the file as a text file. It will not work in any other format. So I've done that, so I'm going to choose File. And I'm going to try this one. Notice it's a .txt. I'm going to click open. And again, these are going to be weeded. And I'm going to click update copies. Now what this is going to do is going to run as a utility. And it's pending right now. So I'm going to refresh my list. And it'll say it's completed. If you want to go look at that, you can click view. And it shows that all of these that I had in that file have now been deleted. So that's another way that you can do that. All right. So the next thing that you could also do is if this is something, these are lost copies, things that you have marked as lost. If you'll go to Back Office and go to your inventory, you can click where it says View Lost. And here you could delete any of these titles that you have marked as lost. That's another way that you could go ahead and delete those. I would have several pages of those, and I'm not deleting them yet because several of these are books that I'm hoping that students are going to return. So that's the quick and easy method of how to delete copies that you need to get rid of out of your library, and hopefully this was helpful for you.